In this video, I will show you how to send an announcement, how to embed a video into your announcement or into a page, and how to adjust your settings and announcements. So to begin, you'd want to click on your Announcements tab. And to send a new announcement, you're going to want to click on the blue button that says Announcement. You're going to want to select the topic, title, and I'll just say Welcome to my community of practice, and then I can say welcome. And this works very similar to an email editor or Word or any other program. You have the ability to bold, italicize, underline. You can create tables. You can left adjust, justify. You can indent. You can do bullet points or numbered lists. You have the ability to upload media from here or record your own media, and there's an option to bring in external tools, and you can embed an image if you'd like to do that as well. So let's quickly do an image just so you can see what that looks like. So to upload an image, you would want to click on the Canvas tab, and you'd want to upload a file. Actually, you'd want to select an area first. Upload a file, and let's do a screenshot of this here. And that file appears there. We select update, and we see that image appears there. We can adjust it right in the viewer. We can move this around. We can also embed videos. So in order to embed videos, the best way to embed is to actually use the HTML editor. You don't need a lot of skills to be able to do this. You just need to know where to find the HTML code. So let's use YouTube as a common example. If we go to YouTube, if we go to any video, I'm just choosing one of my own here, and we go to the share button underneath the video, you'll have options listed here. Instead of just copy and pasting the YouTube link, you can embed the video by clicking this button. You copy this code here. You can also decide if you wanted to start the video later than the beginning of the video. You copy this code. You bring it back over to your announcement, and you go to HTML editor. Here at the very bottom, you paste the code, and then you click Rich Content Editor again to view what it looks like. As you can see, the video appears here. You can add a header. You can change the size of your headings, and we'll call this safety video. And then you can see that it plays right here.
The purpose of this presentation.
The other thing to note is if you wanted to change the size of this video after previewing it in student mode, you can go to HTML editor, and the height and width are listed here. So you can change how wide it is by increasing this number, or you can change how tall it is by increasing this number. And I'll give you an example. We'll make a drastic change it to 400, hit Rich Content Editor, and as you can see, that video has been narrowed down to a smaller area. Here, when it comes to options, you have a few. One option, you can delay the posting, which is recommended if you wanted to just take a moment to make sure and double check and proofread, or if you wanted to send it at a specific time, you have that ability to do that. So you would select the time, there's a calendar feature, enter your time there. Your students or your participants have the option to comment on your announcement, and they also have the option to like your announcement. You can have an additional setting when it comes to users having to post before seeing others reply. And you have this enable podcast feed. I recommend not messing with that too much. That's if you wanted to create your own podcast, but it's a little bit more complicated. Once you make those changes, if you want to send out the announcement right away, you just unclick delay posting. you can click this save button here, and it will immediately send it out if you don't delay the posting. So I believe it's good practice to delay the posting, even if it's just for 10 minutes, just so that you can ensure that you didn't make any typos or errors, or you can make any changes if you like. You can also attach files into your announcement. So if you wanted your students to receive a document or an article, you can attach those as well. This announcement would be sent, depending on how the notifications are set up, it can be sent to the participant's inbox, their personal email or their professional email, but it is also reserved in this announcement area. So once we click save, you'll notice that this is what the final appearance looks like. You have the ability to be able to reply or to comment down here. You can post your own comment. Nice job. And you notice that it will show up there. And it will be housed in this area called announcements. And it'll look like this, which is just a basic introduction to that announcement. Lastly, as we mentioned before, in your home area, you'll notice that it's listed here as well.